Hi, I'm Melanie K, or as most people call me, Mel. Welcome back to my channel, and because it is COVID-19, I am doing a lot of baking and making things myself rather than going out to buy them. Though I am my sister works in a farm shop, so she's providing me with fruit and vegetables from now on, and hot cross buns. So I just found this recipe to make my own chocolate spread and thought, why not, let's try it. So we're going to try and make it today. If you haven't seen my pasta video, please go back and watch that after. I'll leave it in the description box down below or in the iCard, and go watch that. I'll do some more if you like it. So let's go through the ingredients now. Okay then, the ingredients you need is what's this? Coconut, sugar. You need 4 tablespoons of that. You need 1 carton can of coconut cream or milk. I've got cream. It doesn't really matter, it just needs to be non-fat. And then you need 4 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons of cacao or cocoa powder. I go for cacao, that's because. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla if you want it. And this is it. That's my jar. That's what jar I am going with because it's the cleanest. You could fill it in whatever you want. And the only other thing I've got is my blender, which is my Russell Hobbs blender. Comes in all different concoctions. You can whiz it up with this, whatever, but we are going to use this today. So let's go. First step, make sure your hands are clean and ready to go. And so what we are going to do is paste everything into our blender. This is going to be the quickest thing we've ever made. So let's go. Just get scissors. Pour this in. This is there in place. Wow, look how thick that is. Then I need to do my cacao powder. Oh, there's quite a lot of this left. Cacao powder is just, I think, the healthier version of cocoa powder. 4 tablespoons of these. Oh, make a mess. So all of that, and 1 more of this. Oh, I love the smell of chocolate, especially when I'm in the mood for it. That looks darker than that, never mind. That smells so good. You should have smell-o-vision right now because that is amazing. And then we would like 4 tablespoons of this sugar, which is coconut sugar. Make a mess because that's what I do. It is my house, it does not matter. Then all we need to do, if you've got your vanilla, put your vanilla in. I thought I had vanilla, I don't. Put your lid on and blitz it up. Okay, so you can see kind of like the top layer hasn't blended in. Oh, look at that though. Oh, chocolate spread. Amazing. So I'm just gonna scrape that down the side. I bet you this tastes so good. I might have to have a lick. Mmm. That is so nice. Right, carry on blitzing it. It's for 2 minutes you need to blitz it for. And then that is done. That looks amazing. I'm going to pour it into my pot. This is my container I'm using. You can use any container. Use an old one if you've got a jam pot, anything like that. And you just pour it in. Take out the blade, and then just with your teaspoon or your tablespoon, whatever. That tastes amazing. Then put this in the fridge. Put this in the fridge for a few hours, and then it's ready to use for a week. And there is Nutella, or chocolate spread even, for 2 hours. Rather than using hazelnut, like a hazelnut spread, we have used a coconut one, but it tastes so good as the liquid form that I hope once it's set it will taste nicer. The recipe just say use it within a week, because it's coming up to Easter. When I got my farm shop food, my sister gave me hot cross buns as well, so I'm hoping to have toasted hot cross buns with like chocolate spread in them tonight. So that's it for 2 hours. I will be back and I'll show you what it looks like in 2 hours, and we'll spread it on some hot cross buns for my tea. But right now that tastes amazing and I can't wait to make some more. Just need them ingredients, maybe some vanilla if you want to sweeten it. You could even put honey in it to sweeten it. That would work the same. But yeah, we'll be back in a couple of hours. So it's about an hour and a half later and just got it out the fridge. It is smelling amazing. Slightly jiggly, so I feel like it'd be better to leave it a bit longer. But look at that goodness. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. And it is palm oil free. And that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do you love chocolate spread? Will you be making this? Let me know in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. Bye!